Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sorry guys about this situation back there. I'm buying a new tree because my other tree, or maybe I'll keep that tree up here and then I have to put a different tree in my dining room because that's where this tree is. And it just looks very plain back here. I am sorry. Last week I did go to my girls trip to Nashville. If you haven't seen the stories, go over to my highlights on Instagram. You can watch it. We had such a fun time, guys. We'll get more into that in the video. But today we have a new video. I was in Nashville. That's why I didn't post today's video yesterday. And I'm barely filming today's video, but I didn't have a chance to film yesterday. So today we're doing Boxycharm unboxing because this baby came in while I was gone and I'm ready to open it up. I'm buying a few more products before I go ahead and do the trying other YouTubers' yearly favorites drugstore edition. I have a few more products that are still coming in that haven't arrived yet. So when that happens, then I'll film that video for you guys. So it's coming up, as well as there's a few foundation reviews that I'm just so excited to try. So anyways, for today, Boxycharm, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every single Thursday except for today. Today's the only exception. But yeah, all things makeup, and you can always go over on Instagram at Bondbeautyful and follow me there as well. I upload every day and I have stories every single day so you can see what's going on in my life. So yeah, let's just open this baby and get started. It's like a getting ready with me / Boxycharm unboxing. I haven't even looked in here, so hopefully there's some makeup I can actually go through and use. Okay, let's just start with some things here. This is the Dew of the Gods Feels Squalane and Oat Milk Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Facial Scrub. I've actually tried the Dew of the Gods mask, and that was not my favorite. It made my skin feel really, really dry. I got that mask a few while back. Wow. I'm talking real Mexican today, guys. I came back from Nashville, not talking cowgirlish, not talking country or southern, but talking more Mexican than when I first left. That's how it is. Okay, so the Dew of the Gods. I tried their, which was beautiful. It's a beautiful packaging mask, but it wasn't for me. So this is so freaking cute. I just can't. So I'm excited to try it. A dry erase facial scrub. Diamonds are gold. Gold is overrated. Silk is just a fabric. Don't pretend. Feel what's real. Interesting. I like that. Say goodbye to layers, years, and tears with our Luxe Dry Erase Facial Scrub. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna have to try this baby, and maybe I'll film it and add it in here, or maybe not, because I should have uploaded yesterday and I need to upload this like pronto, because I am sticking to my 1 time a week upload schedule. I'm sticking to it. Okay, what do we have here next? A cleansing oil and makeup remover, safe for sensitive skin by First Aid Beauty. Ooh, this is cool. This is going to be very useful. I haven't tried this before, so I'm excited to give that a try. Okay, so this Feels facial scrub retails for $30. And this makeup remover retails for $26. This box is like $29, I think. It is. I don't even remember. I'm going to be honest. Okay, so this is the Niacinamide Booster. I can't even pronounce that, but I'm pretty sure this is very good for people that have pores and blackheads. This also has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Intense hydration boost, reduces signs of aging, restores, strengthens, and evens out the appearance of skin texture, knocks out dry, irritated skin. Ooh, I'm excited. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm excited. I've started to get a few products with niacinamide. How do you say it? Niacinamide in it to help with my blackheads and my pores, and I've noticed a big difference. So I'm excited to add this into the regime. No mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens. It's vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. This little baby retails for $35. It keeps your skin feeling firm and healthy. That's what it says. The last two products in this box are makeup products, so we shall use them today as I get ready and do things. Okay, so first is this Ace Beauty Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. Okay, cool. I don't think there's been a Boxycharm yet that I've gotten without a palette, without some sort of a palette, which is good. And this is beautiful. Look at this mirror pink, and it is a sculpting palette. Boom. So we're gonna try this baby out. I love cream bronzers and contours. This retails for $42. It has 4 shades. And then last is the Belle and Argent Tinted Lip Balm that retails for $18. An $18 lip balm. What is in this lip balm? Is it going to take all the wrinkles out of my lips? $18 is a lot for a lip balm. Purple container. I did not expect that. Okay, and it is the shade at Hello Nude, and it looks orange. Okay, yeah, it is a little orangey. It's like an orangey, maybe a peachy. Looks more orangey to me. Yeah, it's orangey. Look at that. This is an orange color. It's orange. Let me bring you guys. Okay, I got a powder foundation that I really want to try. Maybe I'll try that today. Do you see how it's straight orange? It's an orange lip balm. I'll show you. Does that look orange to you? It's orange. That's what we got. That's all we got. So I'm definitely going to try this sculpting palette. I do have the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation that I will try, but I'm still going to do a foundation review for this foundation because I still want to. And I'm going to try, since this is just like getting ready and trying together, I really want to try this with this primer right here, the Tower 28 Intensive Rescue Serum. That's a serum, but can also be used as a primer, as I've heard, and I've liked it that way. All right, so actually I'm gonna leave my eyes blank because I don't want to do anything. I just want to do, let's try just some face things. Maybe I'll just lightly go over something. Yeah, I don't want to do anything with my eyes because I don't want to have to wash my eyes later. That's bad. Okay, I'm just gonna get into this palette because I have yet to test it. So we'll test out some of the mattes. The LA Girl Pro Artisan Eyeshadow Palette. That's what that is. And I'm just gonna get into this color here and this color and maybe a pop of this color. Don't mind my undone nails. If you guys haven't gone, and I'm not even going in with eyeshadow primer, I'm not even. If you guys haven't gone over to my Instagram to see like the Nashville adventures, you need to go over to my highlight reel. It's not a reel. Highlight stories. Is it called the highlight reel? I don't remember. And check it out and see what's been going on there. It was really fun. It was a lot of adventure. Nashville is fun when you have a bunch of girls. I mean, it's fun if for a couples trip or like a bunch of girls. That's when it's fun. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was very fun. We did a lot of things. We did go to Justin Timberlake's club that he has there, 1230 Club. That was really fun. We did that almost every day. And it was so chill. I really enjoyed that. This color is unexpected because it has no pink in there. It's just glitz, but it doesn't look like that in here. It's just weird. I don't know. I added some glitz. There we go. It's been added. All right, to the face. This is what I'm excited about. Tower 28 Primer. I've been using it with the Beauty Blender's foundation. Beauty Blender, what is it called? The Bounce Foundation, which I've been loving this. This is what I took to Nashville and I love it. It's such a good foundation and the combo is beautiful. But we're gonna try this with the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. And I got the shade Light 28N. So we're gonna see what that does. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. This is drying too fast. I don't think this is gonna be a good serum for it. Nope, it's not. I can tell already. It dried too fast. Okay, I'm gonna do it then with this. This is a really good primer. The Watermelon Burn Concealer first. I don't remember how to do this. I'm just not remembering things. And then you set the concealer. It's been a long time. Okay, so I set that concealer. Now we go in with this. Ooh, this is strange too. I chose to do a powder foundation and then go in with the cream contour slash bronzer. That was a weird thing, right? That was a weird choice on my behalf. Wow. It looks good on my skin, but is very powdery, and I haven't done this whole powder thing in a long time, so it's strange to me. It was a good color though. But yeah, it's definitely strange because I haven't done this in a long time. Pretty good coverage. I look crazy. I look like a crazy lady. It's okay, I can deal with that. Deal with crazy lady. Looking like a crazy lady. Okay. Okay, I look like I've been sucking on an orange popsicle. All right, let's just get into this. This Ace of Beauty palette. I'm gonna use this to contour with, and then I'll use this to bronze. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Wow, is this a dark color or what? And the cream contour I've been using lately is the NARS Laguna 2. This is definitely doesn't blend as easily as that. It's not bad, but it is more like, just doesn't blend as easily. And let's go in with the bronzer and see what, like one of those yellow based bronzers. Doesn't look bad. I'm not hating it. It's just different. Okay, I don't know how I feel about it. The formula's nice because it's pretty much stays put, but I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, let's go in with a blush real quick. I haven't actually worn this Rare Beauty blush in a long time, although you can't tell on camera because I use it all the time on camera, but like I haven't actually used it. Other than that, in a while. So I'm putting this baby on. I'm not gonna lie, while I was in Nashville, I missed this blush. I said, dang, I wish I would have brought this blush with me. I know you guys are hearing what's going on with the Selena Gomez Hailey drama. I came back from Nashville bombarded with stuff about it. Now I'm gonna spray my face. So let's do the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. Look how much I've gone through. I love this stuff. It is so good. And I haven't repurchased the MAC spray, Fix Plus, which I was obsessed. Oh, this powder foundation is nice. It's nice. My skin actually looks good. I missed my chin. Oh, I even have the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. I should have tried this. I have a bunch of new stuff over here I have yet to try. Okay, lips. I'm feeling something bright right this second. Something bright and fun. Okay, this is the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick by Ofra in Venice. Oh, Venice? Cute. Been there. Been to Venice. It's beautiful. If you're going to Italy and you're thinking of going to Venice, start with Venice. Start with Venice. That's a good start for your trip. Then after that, it gets better and better. Beautiful. No lip liner, no nothing. Just went straight in. What do you guys think of my look? Wow. Do you know what else we did in Nashville that if you go to Nashville, you need to do? You need to go to the Wild Horse Saloon and do line dancing. They also have like performers and concerts going on, and then you line dance and learn to line dance in between, like around 9-ish. And it is so bomb. Like, it was so fun to just go out there and dance, and you have a big group of people just dancing and having a good time and covers being played, and it was just so much fun. It's probably my favorite night was going there that day. I would go there Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, good days. Sundays, the nightlife, wasn't feeling it. Got real grungy real quick on Sundays because all of like the decent people are at home with families on Sundays. All the crazies are out on Sunday night. So just gonna say that. All right, so that's it for my Boxycharm. Get ready with me / trying out Boxycharm products. I will let you guys know over on Instagram how these go. If you guys go follow me over there, I'm actually gonna go use these right now. I'll take off my makeup. I'll scrub my face to the bone, and I will use the serum today. So if you want to see that, make sure today you go over on my Instagram, and you'll probably still see it tomorrow because it's up for 24 hours on my Instagram highlights or my Instagram stories, and you can see what I think about those. But anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't worry, next Thursday I will have a video up, and it will probably be my trying other YouTubers' yearly favorites drugstore edition, or a foundation review of something other. I've gotten quite a few foundations. I got like this e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter, and I would love to compare it to the Charlotte Tilbury glow filter, although the colors are so different. Oh, e.l.f.'s is so pinky peachy. I don't even know how that's gonna go. I'm olive. I'm an olive girl. Anyways, I got this. I have another foundation in here somewhere. Here it is. The NYX Bear With Me Blur. So yeah, make sure you follow me if you aren't. If you live in Nashville or you've been in Nashville, tell me what you guys think about it. You definitely need to go check out kind of my highlights and what I've been doing. I'm gonna be posting here soon, but I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. It is Friday. Enjoy it. Yes, Friday. Yes. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.